air membrane press model Airtec CA jig system. This special air press was studied in order to ennoble thermal-form shaped panels, and it's also suitable for the processing of glossy PVC thanks to the support of the intermediate flange. The Airtec CA jig system is an automatic press, and it was designed in order to speed up the loading preparation phase. It is composed of a storage station of the PVC rolls, a cutting station, a loading tray with scan system and PVC dragging grippers, and a jig positioning tray. The working cycle of the machine is easy. The operator places the panels and starts the automatic cycle by means of the control panel. The grippers grab the PVC foil, drag it, while the loaded material is being scanned. At the same time, the scan of the panels is shown on the jig location programming. Once arrived at the end of the tray, the grippers open and release the PVC foil. The foil is cut, and then the cart goes back in the starting position. Now, the two trays go into the press, and during the closing phase, they close thanks to the special pointers. In this way, they create the optimal condition for the PVC moulding. The working cycle of this machine is a careful combination of times, temperatures and pressures that are set by the operator by means of the display. The working parameters are adjustable according to the type of panel, the type of coating material and its thickness, so it's possible to perform multiple types of processing thanks to the versatility of this machine. The Airtec CA jig system is a result of careful, technologically advanced mechanical and plant engineering studies, and it's also entirely manufactured in OMC Machinery SRL that takes care of the quality of both the materials used and of the finished product, ensuring its reliability and sturdiness.